Winter, it's all about layering up if you want to stay warm. So this is what I have today. I have a legging and I have this short pants underneath just because I don't want to wear the legging on its own because I'm going to put on a dress and I have this. I have a couple of this shirt. I think I have three. I have white, brown, and black. I like to wear this underneath my clothes whenever I'm going to work or I'm going outside because it keeps me warm. I also don't want to layer up too much to the point where I'm extremely hot outside. And then yeah, so this is the assemble. Looks good. So I'm going to wear this dress today. Take this one out of my closet. This is such an old dress, but it's been a very, very long time since I wear this dress. So that's why my stuff are looking new. And also when it comes to black, I wash my black clothes separately from the rest of my clothes. When I wash my black clothes, I wash it with sea salt, vinegar, and um, the wash powder for black, the liquid wash powder for black. So and I also don't put my black clothes in the dryer. I always hang it for it to dry naturally. I don't put them underneath the sun. I just hang it somewhere in the corridor. I make space where I can hang clothes. So that's why my black clothes actually stay black. Sea salt, vinegar, one of those two, you can choose which one, and detergent for black clothes. And don't put it underneath the sun, don't put it in the dryer. Allow it to dry naturally and wash it in a cool. I wash it on 30 degrees cold, not really hot. And if accidentally I end up staining it, I will use my hand and wash that stained part before ever putting it in the washing machine. So that's how I keep my black stay black and look nice. So I got this dress from Zara long time ago and it's really, really comfortable. I really like it. So this is what I'm going to wear today for work. One thing I love about this dress, yeah, it has pockets. You see how comfortable this dress is? I don't know where to put this one. You see how comfortable I want? I can always put it off like this and put on my uniform and go to work. But yeah, this is it. This is the outfit. I really love it. I love how comfortable it is. And it's really, really nice. Of course, this thing is showing. Put it up a little bit because I just want to have extra security. I don't want it to show. Yeah, I do have this black stuff on my clothes. Mm. Also, one thing, I have a mirror downstairs to do a last check whenever I have my jacket on and everything. So I have a mirror downstairs where I do my last check. Today is black, black. Today I just decided to wear all black. It's so nice, it's so comfortable, and that's why I use gold accessories. I have this gold and black earring, my watch. I have only this one bracelet and my ring, and I have this gold neck um, chain that my son gave me for my birthday. Now I'm going to put on my favorite watch shoe.
Layer up my perfume. One time someone asked me, what fragrance do you have? And I said, I like to mix some of my favorite fragrance together. And she said, I'm also a fragrant lover. I couldn't pinpoint exactly what fragrance you have because you smell so unique. And I told her I love to mix fragrance. I just love to mix fragrance, especially when they have the same ingredients, similar ingredients. I love mixing it together. I just love it. I love that beautiful and unique smell. So yeah, it smells so good. Your girl is going for all black. So this is the outfit look. Feeling good, looking good, smelling good. All black today. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.